afternoon, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas 2018. And as you guys can shoot, I have like an ish ton of mugs. Hang on a second. Who else is with me on this? Do you guys ever just like hoard mugs in your room and then you bring it down once a day? Because that is me. That is the real tea on me. It's just a bad habit. To be real, I have been up since about 3:30 this morning. I edited 2 videos. I edited the Decorate With Me video, which I'm gonna link up here. I also edited the vlog from this past week because I wanted to make sure I started off fresh, had everything kind of done. And hold on, is that a bunny? I've been obsessed with the bunnies that have been roaming around our street, and I've been feeding them carrots. They don't like broccoli, but I have to try lettuce. I'm gonna probably try that today because we ran out of carrots. I have an advent calendar to open at the end of each day, which is gonna be fun because we're changing things up and it's gonna be different, and we're gonna get a little bit, I guess we're gonna be a little bit bougie. It's about 5 o'clock and I am getting ready because we are gonna be going out this evening and we're gonna go watch a movie. It is my choice of movie tonight. Here's the Christmas tree, and on the other side, if you're looking outside, you can see the Christmas tree from the windows. We have this Christmas tree right here, which I absolutely love. It's windy. So we're back at the Oaks Mall. We were just like literally here the other day. So we're gonna go to Bath and Body Works. I highly doubt I'm even gonna find a candle. I kind of feel like they probably already got picked through. Then we're gonna go get some boba tea. Never mind, I guess they're not picked through. Let's see, twisted peppermint. Ooh. We're at Mrs. Fields. So now they have this, it's new. Crispy bacon, 100% Wisconsin mozzarella cheese. We're at Spencer. Look at this very inappropriate ugly sweater. Hello. That is so funny. Oh, it lights up. Press it. Look at this one. It says, "Kiss me under the mistletoe." I think I told you guys what movie we're gonna watch today. So remember, this is my choice. It's The Possession of Hannah Grace. And I chose this because number 1, it's Shay Mitchell. Number 2, it's a scary movie. And my husband, he didn't really want to take me because he knows how I get with scary movies. I love the thrill and the scare of a movie like this, but you asked me to go downstairs and get a glass of water by myself at night. I won't be able to do it because I get so freaked out. But I still like to watch a movie. Oh, we passed our theater, and we also brought some snacks. We have some snacks in my backpack. Okay, so let me show you what we have for snacks today. I snuck in. This was his idea. I just wanted boba. I have 2 bottles of Dexon water. We have some Mrs. Fields chocolate chip cookies and peanut butter cookies. Pencil maker from Mrs. Fields. Bacon mozzarella. It's like huge. Well, I'm sure this was like a lot more meltier when it was warmer.
Sometimes the little things can be quite important. As in the children's society, with empowered children who have a different...
We are going to be opening our advent calendar. So this year we are going to be opening each day for the 24 days. 24 days of tea from David's Tea. This is a little bit different from last year, and they also raised the price a bit. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this year they included a couple of new additions to the 24 days of tea. So basically in here, it's called a perfect spoon. It's made to scoop just the right portion of teas you reveal as you open the doors, and boxes that hang on your tree with great flair and hold tea for not 1 cup but 2, made to share. I think it is actually in this one. Let's see, what does it look like? Ooh, that's actually really nice. It says David's Tea and it's raised. So this is 1 perfect spoonful, so it's good for 1 person. We are gonna go with lucky door number 1, which is right here. And, oh, that is cute, look. It's a little ornament. First open door number 1. without destroying this box. I really like the idea of these boxes being used as ornaments. So I thought that was fairly cute. Ooh, look at this. So this year, the teas are in these little reusable or resealable baggies, and we have here Candy Cane Crush. Low caffeine, steep for 3 to 5 minutes. So everything is basically all on the packaging. So Candy Cane Crush, a minty holiday classic, and its ingredients basically are black tea, white chocolate, sugar, cocoa butter, milk powder, butter oil. Maybe a little bit extra this year. And every time we open a David's tea, we are actually literally going to have tea time. Do you guys remember this teacup? I got this from, I think, Home Goods a couple years back. This teapot, which is also from Home Goods, just could not part with them. I mean, they were just so cute, and I'm really glad that I kept them. Here we go. Let us scoop the perfect spoonful and see how this actually works out. Okay, there we go. So that seems to be the perfect spoonful, which we're then going to put right in there. A bit of trouble though with this tea steeper because for some reason it just will not close properly. Okay. Ooh. It is like about to fall into the whole entire pot of steaming hot water, and that is not a good thing. Whew. This is gonna turn into a almost fail, I think. So let's just cover it like that, as long as these teas do not. Oh, and it did. Oh my goodness, that was just such a fail. Many of you guys know I use a tea bag, not loose leaf tea. It's only really during the holidays. That's when I purchased the David's tea. It was almost a fail. I have an idea of how we are going to remove all of these leaves since they just basically are floating all over our very cute teapot. So while the tea is steeping, I want to share with you really quickly the candles I ended up purchasing from Bath & Body Works. 2 of the champagne toast candles. I actually really wished that it looked like this because this is the one that I currently am burning. I just love the container. Champagne toast is basically bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. The pistachio ice cream. So this one is roasted pistachio, almond extract, and vanilla extract. Marble kind of detailing on it, and it does smell very good. It smells like pistachio ice cream. All right, there we go. We got that portion out. So we are just going to pour this right through it. Got our tea here. Go ahead and give this a try. Has a smooth hint of peppermint that's not overpowering where you're gonna get sick of it. Let's put it that way. With the movie, The Possession of Hannah Grace, that movie scared the ish out of me. If you like a scare jump movie, I would recommend you guys watch it. It's definitely one of those types of movies. My husband rated it a 7. You know, he's not really too much into scare jump movies like this, whereas I love watching this, but again, I get very scared. What are your favorite types of movies to watch? Do you guys love romance, comedy, action, scary movies, sci-fi? Let me know. We're gonna hang the first ornament, and I think we're just gonna place it right at the very top of the Christmas tree. Here is how our Christmas tree looks. I hope you had a wonderful day. If you guys enjoyed today's vlog, make sure you guys smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. Mwah. Night!